Hi everyone, my name is Abhinash and I am an affiliate marketer, and today I am very much excited to share an amazing opportunity with you in which you can make $1,000 in next 30 days with the help of your smartphone and your social medias by working 2 to 3 hours per day from your home, office or anywhere. This is Mission $100 a day challenge. So let's start today's presentation. So before starting this presentation, I would like to request you to watch this presentation entirely until the end so that you will understand the presentation and it can add some value in your life. So let's start today's session. So first of all, it is a very simple franchisee, digital franchisee or affiliate marketing business. So what is a digital franchisee is? Mostly franchisee means you have heard about KFC, you might have heard about McDonald's. People buy their franchisee and do their business in the brand's name. That is called a franchisee business. Similarly, in digital marketing, there is a franchisee business model called affiliate marketing, in which people sell third-party products or other people products and make commission out of that by making franchisee. They sell the product by their own, but they get the commission from the company. This is called digital franchisee model, or this is called affiliate marketing business. And there are lots of affiliate marketing businesses, affiliate marketing platforms on internet. But basically, I promote a single affiliate program called $25 OneUp. It is a United States based platform which has 4 major features which attracts any digital marketer to work in this affiliate platform. Those 4 features are 100% commission. Any affiliate platform which you know do not provide 100% commission, but $25 OneUp provides 100% commission. If you are making a $25 sale, you will get the $25 completely, 100%. Yeah, 100% commission, and no commission cut at there. That are instant payments. You will get direct payments to your bank account. You don't have to wait till the month end, till the weekend, till the day end. You will get the instant commission in your bank account, right? Sell right now and you will get the commission right now. Very low startup cost is here. See, any kind of business needs investment. If that business do not need any investment, I don't think that is a legit business. And if you know any business who do not need any investments, do let me know. I will definitely try my luck out there. But there is no single business which runs on free basis, right? There is no free lunch. So in this program is a paid program, and this program has some features, but this program has a very low startup cost. Even students or housewife can start this business with that low startup cost. So that is the beauty of this business. And the most important thing is roll-ups and overrides. Roll-ups and overrides are passive source of income. When you are actively working, you are getting the money, but when you are sleeping, when you are not working, if you are sick and your team is working, you will also get paid then also. That is called roll-ups and override systems, or that is a passive source of income that is available in $25 OneUp, and which attracts a lot of affiliate marketers to work here. Next thing is for whom this business is. This business is for multiple people, for multiple purpose. For example, someone who is looking to start their own online business or affiliate marketing business, who is a newbie and want to go online, from them this business is wonderful. Any person who is already doing online or affiliate marketing business but struggling, since a time I was also a newbie, I was also trying my luck on different platforms. I was also struggling, but this platform taught me, this platform gave me all the trainings, all the mentorships to succeed, and I started making out of this platform. So anyone like me who is still struggling in affiliate marketing, digital marketing, online earning, from them this business is like a gold mine, right? Your all struggle will be ended here. any person who is already doing a job or business and still looking for some additional income, for them this business is a wonderful opportunity, because everyone needs money to pay bills, pay rents, to give themselves food, to give clothes. Money is required, money is important, and additional money, making additional money is highly necessary, and this platform can give you additional money. If you are a job holder, if you are a business owner, this business can be helpful to make some additional money. Next thing is, any person, any woman who have a career break due to their family reason or some other reason, they have ended up their career, have a break, and they want to resume their career from somewhere, they want looking for an opportunity, they can do this, because this is work from home job, this is the work from home business. So anyone can start right here, right now, without any worries, right? Any housewife who want to become financially independent, any retired person who are willing to put their 2 or 3 hours daily, they have a lot of time but they do not have any legit platform, they do not know any platform where they should start. From them this business can be helpful. Any student who want to start their career as an entrepreneur, who want to become businessman, who want to become digital entrepreneurs, for them this business is beautiful, this business is wonderful, they can start their career here. And here you can make a monthly earning that most people, most average people are making yearly. Yearly people are how much making? They are making 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees, but here you can make 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees in a single month by the help of affiliate marketing, by the help of $25 one-up. Your that dream can be fulfilled. So this is such an amazing opportunity that you should start right now. So what is affiliate marketing is? Affiliate marketing is an online business opportunity, or it is a marketing strategy in which we earn commission by selling third-party products for other people business, right? Other people product. See, if you are doing a business, if you are going to do a business, you have to sell a product or you have to sell a service. If you don't have your own product, if you don't have your own service, then you have to find a product. And affiliate marketing is based upon that. You can take any product, you can sell any product in the market by your social media, by your blogs, by your influential circle, and you can make a good amount of commission out of that. So that is called affiliate marketing. It is online sales business, so you need selling skills, right? And on affiliate marketing you can start earning in 24 hours, especially in $25 one-up. That is not a rocket science, a lot of people are making money, but most important thing is you have to learn and you have to implement. If you don't learn and implement, you don't earn. But if you learn and implement, you can start earning in your next 24 hours. That is so amazing. You don't have to wait, or you don't have to learn a lot of things. Just a few strategies, just a few steps you have to follow, and you can start your first income, first online income in 24 hours. Next slide tells us about $25 one-up. $25 one-up is a United States based affiliate platform which promotes digital franchisee product, which promotes knowledge and additional resources for affiliate marketing. This is based on MMO. MMO is known for make money online. How a person can make money online by the help of affiliate marketing. This product teaches that, right? These have some additional training videos, like 60 plus training videos, which will train you how to set up your profile, how to set up your product, how to find your customer. There are training videos, step by step training videos, 60 plus training videos, mindset audio trainings. See, strategies are not everything. You have to put fuel in your body. You have to put fuel in your mind to run that, and that fuel is motivation, that fuel is mindset. How you will get the mindset? You have to make mindset every morning, every day. You have to grab a mindset, and you have to wake up, and you have to go with the energy, and you have to stay in that energy till the end of the day. So this product gives us mindset audio trainings that keeps us motivated till the end of the day to stay energetic and to become productive, more proactive. This product can make you. There are email swipes. You don't have to manually write emails. If you are doing email marketing, you can grab lots of emails are pre-written here. You can take any template and you can use that. 100 plus free posting websites. If you will promote your business, you have to promote it in some website, but people do not know in which website they need to promote. So $25 one up already gives you 100 plus free posting websites where you can freely post your products, your ads, your offerings. So that offering is given by $25 one up. There are pre-written ads you can post in your Instagram stories, in your YouTube channel, in your Facebook groups, in your Facebook walls, and those pre-written ads can work magically, and that will bring a lot of leads for you. There are branded sales funnels. You have to sell a product, so you have to design a sales funnel. I will tell you, you can Google and you can see what a sales funnel is, how it looks. Sales funnels helps in a lot of conversions, lot of sales conversion. A branded sales funnel is highly necessary, and here you will get not one, not two, not three. There are multiple branded sales funnel. You can use them for free for lifetime. Sales funnels are chargeable. They charges $50, $60, $75, but these sales funnel are branded and they are free of cost for entire life. You can use them as a free. There are 500 plus free Facebook hot groups where 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 million members are there, who are targeted audience, who have interest in digital earning, who have interest in online earning, in affiliate marketing. You can target them through those Facebook groups, and $25 one up gives you the access of those 500 Facebook groups. You can join them 5 or 10 in daily basis, and you can do your promotions, start your promotions out of there. So quickly you can get the money from those Facebook groups, from those leads. There are multiple streams of income funnels. There are some additional income opportunities in this program. You can learn and you can implement to earn extra amount of money. This business gives you resell business opportunity. You are here to make money. You are here to make business. So this business give you reselling business opportunity. You have to buy this product, you have to buy this trainings, you have to learn, you have to implement, and then you have to implement and you have to resell this product. You cannot resell without anyone's permission, without the content creator's permission, but $25 one up already given you the permission to resell their product and to get 100% commission. They will not take a single penny from your resales, right? There are two products are there. Company charges $10 for themselves, that is their profit. They charges $10 for the sales funnels and all those features they provide you, and they charges $10 for that. And for reselling, there are two gold and platinum level. Gold starts with $25 and platinum starts with $100. With a $25 you can start with basics with gold, and with platinum it is advanced, which costs $100, right? There are some advanced features like Instagram training, Facebook training, YouTube training, right? There are some advanced sales funnels. There are some autoresponders that will make your work easy. So there are two basic platforms. You can pick anyone according to your suitability. You can according to your comfort, you can pick any product, and you can promote that, and you can make a lot of money out of that. So you have to investment on learning is the best investment I know. So the investment made on your mind, made on your skills, made on your improvement is the best investment in the world. So here you will make that investment $25 or $100 for, and that will help you a lot to earn a lot of money. That will make you capable of earning a lot of money, right? So there is unlimited commission. You can earn unlimited. You can start with just a one-time payment of $35 United States dollar, and you can earn unlimited commission of $25 USD for every single sales for lifetime. Similarly, if you are starting with $100, you can start earning both $25 and $100 and $125 sales multiple times per day, and that is for lifetime. So one time investment and no monthly charges. One time you have to put your money and you can regularly earn a lot of money, and from $25 to $125 you can make money, you can generate commission on everyday basis. So this is the best way to earn money. This is the easiest strategy. This is the best strategy to earn money on 2020. This is a game changer because there are some advantages, amazing advantages in $25 one up. Like you can earn regularly, you can get instant payments, there are 100% commission, there are no monthly charges. It is a global business, you can do anywhere in the globe, anytime, anywhere you want. Like there are every payment gateways are accepted here, PayPal, Paytm, PhonePe, anything you use, you can use that to receive the payment, accept the payment. Low startup cost with $35 you can start this business. $25 to $100 USD you can make for every sales. Step by step training will be provided to you. Automated sales funnels are here, capture and landing pages which will helpful to capture the email address and phone numbers of your prospect, of your client, and you can use that later in order to do the email marketing or SMS marketing. There are pre-written ads you can use in your Facebook groups and social media promotions. There are autoresponder which will give you automatic emails to your prospects. There are branded sales funnels, and there are you can add your own sales video. Like you are watching my sales video, you can add your own sales video also there in your, and you can also add your own dashboard video there. You can work from anywhere, you can work anytime. So there are roll-ups and override commissions. Like if you are joining with your sponsor and if you have paid them, your sponsor will get direct commission from you. Your 100% payment they will receive. But when you will make your first sale, you will receive your complete investment back. You will receive your complete investment back. And when you will make your second sale, that second sale will be rolled up to your sponsor as a thank you gesture because he have joined you or she have joined you. They will get paid of your second sales. But after that, third sale, fourth sale, fifth sale, sixth sale, any sale, you don't have to pay anything to your sponsor. Only second sale that will be paid to your sponsor. And similarly, your clients will also pay you their second sales. Like your first sale, second sale, third sale will also make their second sale, and you will make 3 additional passive income or roll-up commissions out of that. How beautiful that is. So one time sales, one time sale you will get roll-up, and that will one time roll up you have to make to your sponsor, and you can receive unlimited roll-ups for lifetime. Right? There are some advantages to join our group. If you join our team, you will get the best strategy and training worth rupees 999 USD. Long-term mentoring with weekly live training worth rupees 999 USD. Every Thursday 9 PM we conduct our own sales webinar. Right? So that will help you to generate some leads, convert your leads, and that helps a lot in conversion. So that will also you will be added to our exclusive community Facebook and WhatsApp groups, where you will be provided all the sales materials. Your doubts will be cleared. We will support you morally, and in your business we will give you strategies. So totally 2297 USD benefit you will get for free of cost. Right? So now the choice is yours. You can take your time, and you can still think and wait for the next opportunity, or you can start with me, you can start with us. We will guide you step by step. If you take massive action and you are committed to change your life, nobody can stop you. I will definitely support you by phone. I will guide you one-on-one. I will share all the training materials I have, all the strategy I have, and I promise to make you successful. Rest thing depends upon you. So invest 35 USD only one time and get all the trainings, supports, resources from the platform. Get additional live training by me and my our mentor. Get all the lifetime business opportunity to earn 100 USD, 1000 USD in next 30 days. Start earning within 24 hours. So you will be guided step by step, right, to earn 1000 USD every day. So I have some success stories. I have made many people successful. I have seen many people from struggle to success. I have interviewed lot of people. One person I want to introduce you, Mr. Nihal Prajapati. Let's hear from him.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। आज के डेट में एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म अगर आप 2020 में इनकम करना चाहते हो, राइट। बट एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के अंदर आज की डेट में आपका एक मेंटर बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करता है कि आपको सिखा कौन रहा है। आज की डेट में लाइक अविनाश जी से ज़बरदस्त इंसान मैंने कहीं भी नहीं देखा। उनसे मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी और उसको अप्लाई भी करा है। मैंने एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा भी कमाया है, राइट। सो अगर आप इस इंसान का साथ देते हो तो बहुत आगे तक जा सकते हो। बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम लोग डिस्कस करते रहते हैं कि किस तरीके से करना चाहिए, किस तरीके से प्लानिंग को एग्जीक्यूट करना चाहिए, किस तरीके से पूरे बिजनेस को ऑटोमेशन में लिया जा सकता है। तो वो सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिलता है। तो आई होप मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूँगा जल्दी जी जो है अविनाश पांडा जी को ज्वाइन करिए और आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखना स्टार्ट करिए। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।
So he was Mr. Nihal Prajapati. You can also be Nihal Prajapati. You can do like him. You can achieve the greatness. You can achieve the success. All those things depends upon you. One single decision and your life can transform 180 degree. It can rotate 180 degree. All your life can be transformed. So all depends upon you. I am here to help you out. Hold my hand and let's become successful. That I want to say. So thank you so much for listening this till the end. Be here with this presentation. I hope you all the best. Whatever you do in your life, become successful and keep adding value in people's life, in also with your life, and keep learning, keep earning, keep growing. Thank you so much. Have a great day.